Today, my boyfriend is giving me a makeover.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma.
Also, thank you so much to EOS for sponsoring today's video. You will hear me talk about them a little bit later. And now let's go tell him the news. He's not expecting this. Let's go. I'm scared. Baby.
Hola.
Hi, handsome.
Ooh, girl, you flirting.
I need a new look. Hair, makeup, wardrobe, new everything. And so I figured you could do it for me.
What? Do I look like I know what I'm doing when it comes to giving people makeovers?
Look at the fashion.
All black? It looks like I'm going to a fitness funeral. You sure you want me to give you a makeover?
No, I'm not sure.
I think you look beautiful. Why do you need a makeover? Here, let me show the people why you don't need a makeover. Yes, rock it, work it, rock it, work it.
I want like just new me. Like I want to be like a little put together, maybe like a little edgy.
Can I cut your hair?
No, absolutely not.
Oh my god. Ah! My luscious long hard work.
I think we can go shorter.
No! Oh, it's a little uneven.
Because you don't want it perfectly straight. You want a little texture.
I think we should maybe cut some off at the bottom.
Okay. There's got to be better scissors.
Oh my god. How's it look from the back?
Great.
Wait, it doesn't look that bad.
You're welcome.
My hair hasn't been this short in so long.
Well, how much do you usually pay for stylists to do this? Because I feel like I just killed the game.
I feel like it could be a little shorter, but I just don't really trust you to do it.
Well, let's go get some color and let's dabble and then we'll see after.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
So before we get into this makeover, I'm gonna just start off with prepping my lips with my EOS Extra Dry Lip Treatment. Thank you so much to EOS for being the sponsor of today's video. Recently, my lips have been very dry, very cracked, a little gross, honestly. It's also made it harder for me to eat like spicy foods because whenever my lips are very cracked and dry, spicy food like gets into the cracks and then it burns and it's just an awful experience. And nothing is gonna stop me from eating my spicy foods, okay? That is like one of my favorite things. Top 5 things that bring me joy in life, spicy foods. With that said, I have been taking more time to take care of my lips and make sure I nurture them and give them the products they need so that they don't have to be dry all the time. Which brings me to my EOS Extra Dry Lip Treatment. This has helped transform my lips so much. Don't get me started. It's so smooth. Like I put this on and I just feel like my lips turned into pillows. They got my lips shape-shifting over here and honestly, I'm not even mad about it. The packaging is also great. I mean, blue is my favorite color, so we love that. But also the little squeezy tube just makes it so easy to like put it in my pocket, or I can also just throw it in my bag and whenever I need it, I just whip it out, put it on. This product also smells so good. It has like this light, it's like a light fruity scent. It's not too dramatic, but it's there and it's delicious. So if you're kissing someone, they're gonna smell this on your lips and they're gonna fall in love with you. I'm just kidding. I can't make that promise, but it may increase the chances. Oh my gosh, it just feels so smooth. How do you guys do this? Another benefit of this is it has like this little glossy shine to it, which is really nice because there are so many days that I just don't want to apply like a heavy lip gloss or a heavy lipstick and I just want something that feels kind of like nothing. This is what I wear for those days because it helps protect my lips, keep them moisturized, as well as giving me that little bit of shine that I would usually get from wearing a lip gloss. We love a 2-in-1. So if you are also struggling with dry lips right now, then be sure to check out all of EOS products. I will have the link below so you can browse everything and see what works best for you and your needs, so check them out. And now let's get into the makeover. It's so short.
It is short, but it looks really good.
I actually love it. I'm loving the dark, I'm loving the shorter. I feel more fun, so loving the hair. Pretty good, babe.
You didn't trust me with your hair and that only took like 1.5 snips.
And the help of a professional.
What? I have to follow that with makeup?
Yeah. Before we do my makeup, I'm gonna apply my EOS The Hero Extra Dry Lip Treatment. So I'm looking for something fresh, something new, something smooth and light.
Something that's never been done before, because I've never done this before.
You've never done my makeup? I thought you have.
I've never done makeup.
Pretty good.
Start with foundation, right? Or I gotta be more confident, don't I? It starts with foundation, right?
Yes.
For real?
Well, yeah, you have 2 options, but I would say this one because I'm not as tan right now.
That's why I went with that one.
Pretty good.
What is this ball thingy?
You just twist off.
Oh. Like a relationship. It starts with the foundation. A little boop, and then we can go a little boop, and then we a little boop, and a little boop.
Nice sound effects.
Thanks.
Boink. Maybe just a little. I need a little more help than that. Let me.
Okay, so from here.
Is it the light, the dark one?
Don't interrupt me.
Oh no, that's fine.
Don't interrupt me. Do I just go like this?
Yeah.
I'm not even doing anything. What do you mean? Make me do anything.
Here, you do it.
Done. Oh my god. Close your eye. Just one eye. Close your third eye. Got it. She's woke. She's woke.
Ew, my breath is bad.
After we do the foundation, the next thing comes powder.
Conceal.
And what concealer is, obviously, you guys should know. Concealer, just make sure that it's the foundation's concealed. It's this. There we go. This.
No.
Okay. This.
No.
Concealer.
Yeah.
Ya boy. Ya boy.
Concealer can be a little lighter because it goes under your eyes. What I put under your eyes before then?
They don't need to know that. This is natural. So we're gonna go under the eye. So I'm gonna go boo 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 boo.
Boink.
Contour.
No.
Got it. Contour?
No.
Didn't we just do this?
There's only one.
Contour.
There's just one contour. You just put it here and here.
Like a baseball player.
Oh my gosh. That's good. That's good. That's good. Not right across.
What do you mean?
Wow, that's not bad. Let
Concealer.
me just touch it up really quick.
What you just said?
There we go. How's that?
Let me see. Missing one thing. Done. Oh my god. Eyebrows. This.
No. How
is
does
that?
that look like it would be for your eyebrows?
I don't know. I'm just grabbing stuff.
Is it on there? Wait, it's not on here.
That's why. Shh.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yes, it is. So do I just done? Why are you beatboxing?
Why'd you do it like that?
Do what?
He said
Eyeliner.
you should do eyes, like maybe my eyeshadow.
Close your eyes. Done.
What is that flick?
Less is more.
I'm gonna do the eyeliner just because I feel like if you do it, we're gonna be here for a minute. Already not good at eyeliner, so.
I know. That's why you hired me.
You wanna do it?
No. Is there anything here that we're missing?
Yeah, you have to do mascara, eyelashes, lip liner, lipstick, and blush.
I'm out of here. Just do the rest. Let me pick the lipstick color at least.
Okay.
What are my options? You got one. Is this it? I choose this one.
Pretty good. Feels good to me.
You're gonna cut the camera and redo it, aren't you? Beautiful, baby.
Pretty good.
This is before,
Broken, sad, lonely.
and this is after. A little scary.
Wow, she said nails. Babe, it's the moment. Ooh! These are the longest pants I've ever seen. This looks like it's for a 6-foot person. Oh my god, it's giving. Where's Waldo?
You ready?
Yes. I need a new look. Broken, sad, lonely.
You sure you want me to give you a makeover?
No, I'm not sure.
Hey!
Babe, I love it.
Are you serious?
I usually wouldn't go for these sort of pants because they're like they're super mom jeans, but I love them.
They look like size Shaq.
I love it. It's so cute, babe.
They're little top rocks. Boom, cut, boom, boom, cut, boom, cut, and pose.
Ooh.
Oh God, you hate it.
He said New York Fashion Week. Okay, interesting choice.
You hate it.
Don't hate it, let's clarify. You really gave me a riddle.
3, 2, 1. Yes! Oh no, your knees are being shown.
It's giving pom-pom. It's giving tutu. I get what you were going for, babe.
You do?
It looks like my dress wants to escape this belt.
You look like you auditioned for The Matrix.
I look like a reject from The Devil Wears Prada.
Okay, rewind without the belt. Take that belt off.
Like, this is cute. Like, we love the little dress.
I think it's just the boots because they're literally the same paleness as your leg. Switch out shoes. Let's see what it's like with the other shoes.
This is better. Pretty good. And that's it for my makeover. I'm not gonna lie, I am obsessed with this short hair. I feel like I was just meant to have short hair. Thank you so much to EOS for sponsoring this video. Thank you to Babe for giving me this makeover. And thank you to you for watching and being part of the journey. I feel like it's time for me to give Dom a makeover now, so stay tuned. I love you guys, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.